Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll show you how to connect a temperature sensor. First, as indicated on the sensor, it requires 5 volts. So we start by providing the 5-volt input. Next, we connect the GND, followed by the signal connection, which goes to one of the configurable I/O pins. In this case, it will be pin 2. Now we power up the system. We open the partner application, select the controller, go to the configurable I/O tab, and click on Add. Here we choose the temperature sensor. We name it as Temp Sensor, select the role as Academy, and set the pin. Since we connected it to pin 2, we select pin 2. Now we leave everything else as is and click Submit. The temperature sensor should appear, and we add it to the dashboard. Click Save, then Done. Next, we go back to the user application. Once it receives a temperature value, it immediately appears on the app. If I heat it up, it instantly rises in temperature. This can be used for heating, cooling, or any automation purposes. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching PIERRE Academy.